I need a wiring diagram for a 2004 JD L110 mower.
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
The mower will not start nor will the lights come on. I repalced the switch and kecked the battery.
Is there anything else important you think the small engine technician should know?
I also replaced the seat safety switch and jumped out the starter solnios, and the starter runs but the engine does nor start.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the small engine technician about your situation and then connect you to.
I have a diagram, but have you located the ignition fuse, near the starter solenoid behind the engine? You seem to have no voltage to the key, and the voltage has to come through the fuse from the starter solenoid's cable terminal. Page 1. Page 2. Did you find the wiring diagrams? Please rate to close.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.